Daktari Githinji Gitahi, karibu sana. And I also invite on stage KCV Group CEO Anna Paul Ruto, come over on stage. Karibu sana.
Excellency, President William Ruto and all the dignitaries here, we are the flying doctor, so I'll try and shorten my speech because I know that you are pressed for time. I'll try and keep it very, very brief. And the first thing I want to say is that today I made great effort to dress like yourself because I've been watching you very closely. But my tailor did not do a good job as yours. So I think my suggestion is maybe next time you're seeing your tailor, you call me, we go together. My number is 0737. I'll read it for you. I just want to highlight a few things, Your Excellency. The first thing I want to say is that I want to thank your government for hosting AMREF for 66 years. AMREF is an international NGO which was founded in Kenya but has spread to 35 countries in Africa, spending about $250 million every year on healthcare. In Kenya, we spend about $6 million on healthcare, and your partnership and your patronage in your presidency is greatly appreciated. We, of course, started off as flying doctors, and that flying doctors was necessitated by absence of specialists out in the counties, by poor infrastructure. But now our flying doctor service is no longer transporting doctors to the counties because your government's efforts and the county government's efforts has made sure that specialists are now available across the country in the remotest places, working very, closely with the Ministry of Health, and the road infrastructure is good. We no longer have to transport a doctor by air. We can actually drive them to where they need to be. Now we are using the AMREF flying doctors, Your Excellency, in doing referral, emergency medical referral for the police, for individuals from poor communities, transporting them for higher care where they are needed. But secondly, and most importantly, we are also, as AMREF flying doctors, transporting patients into Kenyan hospitals, enabling medical tourism into this country. Every year we bring close to 500 patients into Kenyan hospitals. The next thing I want to talk about is that we have, over the longest time, worked with all 47 counties. Our focus has been to build primary health care, and now with your agenda of primary health care networks, working with the Ministry of Health, we're enabling about 22 counties to achieve their primary health care network. We are working with the Ministry of Health to enable registration of over 100,000 community health promoters, and we continue to support your agenda to achieve this. In doing so, we are establishing Kenya's largest primary healthcare university. AMREF is spending $50 million, Your Excellency, between this year and next year to build the largest primary healthcare hospital, training nurses, university nurses, community health extension workers, midwives, physiotherapists, and we will be coming to you at the launch, and we'll be coming to you also for the charter. Right now, we have over 3,000 students in our university environment. Finally, we know that our countries are operating at little fiscal space. The ambassador made it very clear the debt crisis is squeezing the fiscal space further. Efficiency and prioritization is critical. So we continue to work with your government, with the counties, to ensure that facilities are able to be capacitated to run their own facility improvement funds, because that's the best place where prioritization happens. If in this country we have 50,000 schools, Excellency, and each of them runs an account with a board of management. We have many of us been members of board of management, but we are not able to allow the same in the health facilities. It is possible that all health facilities can have accounts, can run facility improvement funds, and they're able to prioritize the needs of their catchment day by day without being encumbered. By huge challenges in terms of accessing funds for day-to-day. Sincerely, God bless Kenya, God bless you, and I look forward to that call to visit your tailor. Thank you very much, Excellency. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Dr. Gitahi, on behalf of AMREF.